What are the main benefits of ad breaks? Discover the features that help you maximize your earnings while you focus on doing what you do best, making great content or making great videos. Ad breaks can only be included in videos at least 3 minutes long, but there is more you can do to make the most of your content. And we are here to help. Actionable insights help you understand how you are doing and how to improve. Facebook will give you insights, and these insights can be used to make better videos, to know what works for you and what doesn't work, and to choose your next video topic. But you need to make sure that you only make videos that are at least 3 minutes long. The automatic placement feature. Ads are placed at natural breaks in your content to create a better experience for your audience, while increasing the number of possible placements, upping your earnings potential. So it works best for you. Facebook chooses the best moment in your video and adjusts the timing of ad breaks depending on that. You can always choose your own placement or turn off ad breaks for individual videos if you don't want to monetize them, or if you feel that you are not getting enough money from each video. You are in control. You can decide which advertisers or categories of advertisers you don't want appearing next to your content. Plus, you have the option to choose to have your content reviewed early, so you can start earning from the moment you publish. Next, we will talk about eligibility criteria, but for now, what I need you to know is that Facebook provides a lot of features, but you have to make a 3 minutes long video, and I recommend allowing the automatic placement of ad breaks, since Facebook will study people who viewed your video, and depending on the number of views, the timing, how much time they spent on your video, it will adjust the ad breaks location so that you can earn more money. So it will help you maximize your earning while not disturbing the user experience. Next, we'll talk about eligibility criteria. So stay tuned. This is only introduction. Thanks for watching this lesson. See you next.